Hi everyone, welcome to ACPE. My name's Steve. I'm here to talk about our brand new schools program. So for 2025, we've got on offer the new program that addresses the new syllabus coming out. So that health and movement syllabus, health and movement science. In that new syllabus, there's so many areas for us to explore. So what we decided was we'd have some ACP high school days where you can come in to the campus with your students and discover all of those topics that you'll be learning and like teaching and learning, but in the most practical way. So something from energy systems where we do exercise testing in the lab, maybe even run a max test, to looking at the biomechanics and sports medicine side of things where we're in the lab looking at injuries and force analysis. So if you're interested in coming down to Olympic Park for the day, having a great day out with your students where they've got an opportunity to do fun, practical, engaging activities, we'd love to see you here at some time in 2025. Thanks guys, see you soon.